For sale Classic Auto Mall is this 1935 Ford Model 48 3-window Deluxe Coupe. It features a 454 cubic inch V8, a Tremec T56 6-speed manual transmission, dual exhaust, and a Ford 9-inch rear with 456 gears. It has disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear, plus an air ride suspension. Noticeable modifications include a 1936 nose, a 1955 Ford dash, as well as a chopped roof and retractable rear window, plus vintage air to keep it cool. Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit Classic Auto Mall in person or check everything out on our website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media.